Hi guys, and welcome to our YouTube channel Finance for Beginners. For today I'm here with another new video to show you guys on how you can change leverage on your Etoro while doing a trade or investment. To do so, first of all, I assume that you are already logged in into your Etoro account like I already am right now. After logging into your Etoro account, you can see that you'll be on the home page of Etoro. From here, search for the stocks or crypto that you want to trade or invest in, or simply go on to Discover to look for your stock. After going on to Discover, here I go on to stocks again, and after clicking on stocks, you can see that all the stocks option that I am able to trade is appearing on my screen. You can scroll down to search for the one you like. For now, I'm going to show you on this one. Simply click on the stock that you want to buy or you are interested in and click on trade. After going on into the stock, you can see that there is an option for leverage. If you simply click on this leverage option, and if you are able to change the leverage option here, another X time like X10, X100 or other X options will appear on a leverage. Right now there is only one X or X1 to set on your leverage. So that is how you can change your leverage on Etoro. This was for this video, and I hope you guys find our video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell notification. And don't forget to drop a comment for a review and for more content like this. See you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.